When it comes to the strengths of Virgos, we're talking about their practicality, their loyalship. They're very hardworking, analytical, kind, and even down to earth. Their weaknesses, however, they can worry, like a lot. They're overly critical of others and even themselves, and they're all work and no play. Virgos are hard to please and can be very precise about what they want. They prefer to have things done very clean in a very clean state, and they like things to be in order. Knowing right from wrong is a very strong trait that they have. This makes them down to earth and see things for what it is. They want things to be perfect, and they would work hard enough to make it as close as perfect as possible for them. They can be very critical for themselves and others, but that's because they believe that things can get better. They lack the ability to express themselves, so they shy away and they worry a lot. Loyalty is their middle name, especially when it comes to their tasks. They are very analytical, but very practical. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick bada bing bada boom toot toot boom boom type style of content. If so, I have the other zodiac signs in the exact same format, so do check it out. If you want to see something that's a little bit more in depth, I have a whole playlist describing each of the zodiac signs. Check that out too if you want. But until next time, matane.